I don't know that I'll be able to move in this week. It's very stressful around here. We also have not even touched the kitchen. And get coffee. My favorite time of the day. I want to be happy so bad. And it looks like literally nothing has been done. I think this video has just turned into me eternally screaming. But this is what we've got so far. We're not out of here. I just want to go home because this doesn't feel like home anymore. I haven't used it. I'm not gonna need it. It's pretty volatile. Don't ever judge somebody for why they stayed in a relationship. We thought we were done with storage units, friends. Just sucks for a little bit. In case you're curious what I was crying about, one of my tires started to shred while on the interstate. So that's fun. Big wrench in today, honestly. I have no idea what the plan for the rest of the day is now. But we'll do whatever we can, I guess. Just ate some food, sat down for a minute. Now I have to patch a few holes and hopefully just do the blinds, some light cleaning, and then I hope that we're done after that. What brackets are we supposed to use? The brackets that come with it. I'm not very good at this. I'm not good at filling holes. A lot of these were the children and the dogs as well.
Mommy, hot water works really well together.
Perfect. I'm legit taking a video. Done this hole. I don't even think we caused that hole. That was just paint chipping like this right here. I'm gonna fix it though, because they're not gonna ding me on nothing. And then fix the tile. And then that. We don't have the right drill. See that drill back there? It only has scrubbing bits. We don't actually have a bit for it. So they're going to buy a bit so that we can change all of the mounts for the, what is that called? The blinds. Because they're not all the same, and that's fun for us. I had to buy 7 of one kind and 3 of another kind. Luckily, 2 of the mounts fit the ones we bought, so we were able to mount 2, so we just have 8 more to do. Yeah. And then we just have to really do the floors and like a once over good clean, and I think we're good.
You did the floor, so I'm doing the floor.
Thank you. Oh my god, pick up your paper towels.
It's alright, I can make it home by myself. I've got your words inside my mind. Nobody told me it was gonna turn out like this, but that's alright, that's alright, that's alright. I watch the sun climbing over buildings and bridges. Nobody knew it was gonna turn out like this, but that's alright, that's alright, that's alright.
Whoever made these things squiggly like this needs to never invent anything again. Because this is stupid. The stupidest thing ever.
Every time I see you, I wonder what's left of me. Ooh, or maybe this this is the death of me, yeah. It's my history. This is the best of me. Here is the rest of me. Yeah. Na, 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 Thinking back, trying to make out where we went wrong.
I'm so tired.
Got this feeling inside. But you got yours, I've got mine. That's alright, that's alright, that's alright. What do you want from me? Ooh, what do you want from me? Ooh, you know it's tough for me. It's like I'm in agony every time I see you. I wonder what's left of me. Ooh, maybe this is the death of me. Yeah, it's in my history. This is the best of me.
It's kind of sad. This will be the last time I'm wiping off these counters. It's the cleanest these counters have been in God knows how long. I don't know how much trash is left. Ew. Ugh. This is disgusting. This is the grossest thing I've ever done in my life. This got nice and clean though. That's real pretty. That's real shiny. Nope. Pretty.
It's not, I was hoping to get some of the scuffs out, but it's not.
We need to get Mr. Clean scrub pads. Those will take that right out. I know. I took some over there from the couch out with it. So, this is innovation to the fullest. When you don't have a stopper, you just use a trash can. Do you know the oven top lifts up? Oh my god, I didn't, and I just lifted it and I thought I broke it. Huh. Why don't I know things? Shouldn't I know more about cleaning?
Little sad eyes, don't you cry, 'cause you know. Little sad eyes, love will come, love will go. When you're strong, you never ask why. But can you learn to love your weakest side? Little sad eyes, I see you carry all that pain. It's a sad life. If the hurt is all in vain, but you'll get through the darkest nights when you learn to find your shining lights. Little sad eyes, don't you see I am right behind you? Don't you know I'm carrying your weight? When you're down and when you're out, I'll be around. strong. You never ask why, but I have learned to love your weaker side. Little sad eyes. Don't you know